Alrighty, I'm back here. It looks like that actually took about 20 minutes before it appeared in my Bitcoin wallet. As you can see, I have 0.064753328 fractional share of Bitcoin. Now, the next thing we need to do is convert that Bitcoin into Bitconnect. As you can see right here, I already have a little bit right there. So what we need to do is go ahead and click on the BCC exchange, and we're gonna scroll down, and what we need to do is buy some Bitconnect. So down here you see all of these different selling orders for your Bitconnect right here. Now what we need to do is find someone that can fund our amount. So what I did was I clicked on one of the minus signs here. This person is actually selling 81 Bitconnect coins, so that's more than enough for what I need. So once you hit that minus sign, you'll see 81 units will show up. All you have to do is click on all. That will change to the amount that you actually need. So I'm going to be buying 2.2 Bitconnect. So the next thing you do is click on buy Bitconnect. You can read all this if you want to. It's just confirmation. You choose confirm. BCC buy placed. Your request to buy blah blah blah. Everything looks like it's all good to go. Alright. Now what we need to do is go ahead and go back to the dashboard. And you can see here it actually says 2.27 so on and so forth Bitconnect coins in my wallet. Now I'm going to show you how to start a loan so that you can start investing with your Bitconnects. And right here there's different levels that you can actually start a loan. You can start between 100 to 1,000. That loan will be locked in for 299 days. If you have $1,010 to 5,000, that will be locked in for 239 days. But also you will receive a 0.10% daily compound interest. Compound interest is huge. We can get into that in a little bit. The next tier is $5,010 to $10,000, which that would be locked in for 179 days, and you'll receive a 0.20% interest daily. And now these bonuses, these are on top of the amount of interest that you'll receive regardless. So what I did was I clicked on the volatility software interest. This loads up this page right here, and this right here is actually showing you the weekly interest that's earned, per day. So on the 18th it was 1.42, 19.86, 1.07, 0.62, 0.76, and tomorrow will be 0.66. And the last thing here is the $10,010 to $100,000, which that'll actually be locked in for 120 days, and you'll receive that 0.25% daily on top of these percents right here. Now all of this will vary depending on the market, so don't get wrapped around these current numbers right here, because this could change next week. Now I currently have 2.2, so I need to put in an amount that will actually cover as much of the Bitconnect coins that I have. So let me go ahead and scroll up a little bit here so I can see that. Let's see, we're gonna go with 250. I can actually get 250 in. What about 260? 2.27. Not quite. if it was to go down some, I could actually get that. Let me do a refresh. What I'm looking at is 1 BCC in the dollar amount. It is currently at 114.04. If that could actually go down in the 113s, I could probably squeeze a couple dollars out of it. I don't know if I'll be able to do it right now. It may take a while before it actually goes down. So, where was I at? 260. Not quite. I have to do 250. I really want that to go down. If I can get that to go down, I'll be set. Nah, it's not gonna do it in my favor. Alright, no biggie. Oh, 250. Alright, so I'm entering in $250. That will be locked in for 299 days. And after the 299 days, I will receive that $250 back. Guaranteed. Alright, so I gotta come down here, check mark on read the terms and service, pay from Bitconnect wallet, confirm, and we are rocking and rolling. Alright, so as you can see, that changed. Now coming down here, I'm currently at 290. When I do a refresh, that number would change, and now I'm at 540. Man, I'm excited. I can't wait to see some big numbers down here, because that total earn and that daily interest will just increase and increase. Now let me tell you real quick about the lending wallet. This is where you will see your daily interest accumulate at right here. So you can reinvest in $10 increments. So that basically means every $10, it could be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on and so forth. You can reinvest that amount right back in, and that amount will reflect down here. So, I currently have $54.40. I can reinvest $50, and instead of me having an active investment of 540, I will actually have 590. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well. And that's fairly simple to do here. We just simply click on reinvest, enter in that. That's a total of $50, because we have to do it in $10 increments. Click on reinvest, confirm, boom. So that $50 is also locked in for 299 days. So every 24 hours, I will receive an interest back on that. So stay tuned for the next video. And again, if you haven't created your Bitconnect account or your Coinbase, the link is in the description below. Sign up, get started, and let this money start rolling. All right, y'all. Y'all have a nice day. Bitcoin Brand signing out.